Welcome back to Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and in this video I want to go over NIO stock and Palantir stock because both of the stocks are set up very nicely for a potential breakout. So I wanted to update you guys on both of the charts because I haven't covered them in a pretty long time. So first stock we're looking at here is NIO on the daily time frame, down about 1% today. I have mapped out all of the trend lines that I've personally been using to watch the NIO price action. And so we're getting to a point right now where if we pass this level of resistance right here on NIO and then we get a back test on this line, I believe NIO will officially be ready for its next leg up. The price action for NIO has been trading sideways for a pretty long time now. We've seen some substantial runs, but we've also seen our stock price fall off. But right now we are getting to a point where all of our SMAs are getting very close together, and when you get this type of action with your SMAs, this is like a spring ready to coil, and usually when that happens the price action either explodes to the upside or it explodes to the downside. And so if I'm looking at the price action above all of our SMAs, our 50 SMA looks like it's starting to curl back up, and so that would be a very bullish sign overall for NIO. And we are getting to a point where we are about to break a crucial level of resistance. So you could see, even with our all-time highs in NIO, we could never break past this level of resistance. So if we can break and backtest this line, NIO will be ready to break out for its next move up. And I believe that that move will be absolutely significant. If we look at our accumulation over distribution, we've just had steady accumulation here on NIO, which means that nobody has been selling this stock. So that is a great sign for another move to the upside. So if we're looking at all of our indicators right now, we're looking at our trend lines, we're looking at our SMAs, NIO is looking extremely promising here for another move up. And so those of you guys who have not yet got into NIO or you want to play it as a trade, the best way in my opinion to play this is once you break past this level of resistance and get a back test on this line, NIO is a buy for the next level up. I do believe at some point in time NIO will eventually get over $100. This is the biggest competitor to Tesla in my opinion. I personally believe that NIO is the second best EV player in the world. I believe that their product is not only desirable, it is a luxury vehicle. They have things that other cars don't have. They have Nomi, who is like a Siri for the car. The interior is extremely luxurious. So overall they have a pretty good product that continues to get better and better. They are scaling up their product, and so at a time a couple years ago when people thought NIO was going bankrupt, it has been absolutely crushing it, and I believe it will continue to crush this EV space as more subsidies start coming out, especially in China. And we know that China wants Chinese companies to succeed, so even though Tesla is in China, I believe that they are going to try to get people to buy NIO cars, and overall that is going to benefit NIO shareholders. And so I just want to quickly update you guys on NIO. I do think this is a really great long-term hold regardless of where you buy it, especially now if you have a 5 to 10 year outlook. But on a trade basis, any break above this resistance and a back test would mean a buy signal here for NIO. The second stock that I wanted to cover here is Palantir on the daily time frame. So the first thing I want to mention here is since our bottom here on Palantir, you can see that our accumulation also bottomed out, and then since that point we've started to see steady accumulation. We have been in a slight downtrend, which could be signified by the support and resistance lines. You can see clear as day that this has been a strong level of support here for Palantir, and then this top line has been a strong level of resistance. And so if I zoom this in a little bit, you could see that yesterday we actually broke above our level of resistance, and today we actually got that back test. And so I personally believe that on Monday we are going to see a green day here for Palantir. This was the day to get in on Palantir in my opinion. Today was the back test that we were looking for. I made a video on my TikTok yesterday letting people know about Palantir, and so we did get the back test today. So today would have been a great time to get into Palantir, and so everything looks pretty nice here. We still have some more room left on our RSI to the upside, which is a great sign. And again, same thing with NIO. Palantir is a great long-term investment. At these prices, you can't go wrong. I believe that this company is going to get more and more valuable as years pass and we start just turning fully digital. And so Palantir, in my opinion, is a buy regardless of the price that we're looking at. But for traders alike, you should have been getting in on Palantir today. And so we'll see on Monday if what I'm saying is true. But that is kind of my personal speculation here on Palantir. We got the breakout yesterday, we got the back test today, and so today was the day to get into Palantir. And so I wanted to cover both of these stocks very quickly because I've mentioned these stocks on my channel previously, and I wanted to update you guys because I haven't forgot about these stocks. These are two big stocks in the stock market right now, and they should be in a lot of your growth portfolios if you are looking for very great companies. And so if you guys enjoyed this quick little update video, don't forget to like. We are 7 subs away from 4K, so I'm very excited for that. I want to thank each and every one of you who have subscribed to my channel. We are on the road to 10K subs, so if you made it to this point, feel free to hit that subscription button. This is Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and I'll see you guys in the next one.